What's up guys, Greg here and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, we are going to check out a serious lighting upgrade for all of you 6th Gen Camaro owners interested in giving the front end of your Camaro a hell of a facelift and at the same exact time drastically increasing your lighting performance. These headlights are built and designed by the team over at Morimoto, and these are their XB black LED projector headlights with sequential turn signal and DRL bar. Now, the first thing that I really want to touch on with these Morimoto headlights are going to be their design, because even just sitting on the bench, they really catch the eye. Morimoto spends a painstaking amount of time designing their headlights to be sleek and subtle, not loud and obnoxious. To me, these black XB LED headlights are really the perfect balance of custom features in an almost OEM-like package. The quad optics are going to be oriented perfectly and they blend in nicely with the black housing, but to me, the most appealing design feature by far is the DRL bar and sequential turn signal. This DRL bar uses bright and powerful 5000 Kelvin LEDs to emit a beautiful white light, and with the flick of a turn signal, they immediately turn into an amber and create that great looking sequential light movement. Now, if you are not a fan of a sequential turn signal, do not let that stop you from pulling the trigger on a set of these headlights, because you can easily also set them up to emit just the standard blink mode if you so choose. Now, the materials used to manufacture these lights are also going to be top notch. The last thing anybody wants is to spend a big chunk of change on a set of headlights only to have the lenses fade and get hazy in just a few years. Morimoto manufactures these Camaro headlights using a tough but light PPS and UV resistant polycarbonate lens. This material lets all of that powerful light out, but it also prevents UV ray damage that can cause hazing and fading. But if you do encounter any issues with these headlights, do not worry, because Morimoto does back them up with an incredible 5-year warranty. But stylish good looks are only one of the reasons that you choose to upgrade the factory headlights on your Camaro. The other is going to be pure lighting performance, and Morimoto is dedicated to manufacturing headlights that outperform any other headlight on the market, including the original factory equipment. The quad optic projector lenses are designed to emit light from the powerful LEDs wide and far for the best possible visibility. Now, it's also worth mentioning that these headlights meet and exceed all SAE DOT regulations when aimed properly, so are they 100% street legal. And even though this Camaro came equipped from the factory with premium HID projector headlights, we wanted to see how good they really are. So we did a comparison. As you can see, the Morimoto LED headlights are the clear winner compared to the stock HID projector. The beam pattern is wide and the headlights emit a clear and bright white light, which emits far down the road through those projector lenses. But now that you know the ins and outs of these headlights, it's time to show you how to bolt them up to your Camaro, which is an easy job to tackle. Morimoto designed these headlights to be completely plug and play. That means that there's no splicing, soldering, or complicated wiring. All the connectors are designed to plug directly into the factory harness. And the biggest challenge is going to be getting your front bumper removed. So start by removing all the bolts, clips, and other fasteners, and then remove the front bumper cover. Now, with the bumper off, unbolt and remove the factory headlights, and then disconnect the wiring. Then take your new Morimoto headlights, plug the new harness directly into the factory harness, bolt the lights into place, and then you can simply reinstall the front bumper. Now, it's certainly not a difficult install, but is a little tedious, so just take your time. But this is certainly a job that you can do in your own garage. Well, everyone, that is going to wrap up my review today of Morimoto's XB black LED projector headlights with sequential turn signal and DRL bar. So if you're looking to upgrade the lighting performance and front-end styling on your Camaro and you won't settle for anything else but the best, head over to Carid.com right now to check out these great LED headlights from Morimoto. And hey, while you're there, feel free to check out all the other great lighting accessories that Morimoto has to offer. And as always, I'm Greg from Carid.com, and I'll see you guys next time.